A big relief for all the motorists and daily commuters, as the Islamabad High Court had suspended the May 30th, 2026 notification of National Highway Authority and Communications Department. You have heard it right. The Islamabad High Court had passed an interim order where they had suspended the operation of the May 30th notification of NHA. But what was the notification about? And what was the subsequent circumstances or consequences for the motorists who did not acquire an AMTAG or who did not have sufficient or adequate funds in their AMTAGs? Let's talk about that. National Highway Authority and Communication Department, which is the supervising body of the motorway networks and highways of Pakistan, had dispatched a notification on May 30th, 2026 that an additional imposition of 50% of toll taxes is going to be ensured on those motorists or those vehicles who do not acquire MTAG or who do not have adequate or sufficient funds in MTAGs. Subsequently, this notification or this decision of NHA was challenged in Islamabad High Court when an advocate from Islamabad High Court had filed a writ petition against the National Highway Authority and Communications Department, saying that NHA has a sole authority or prerogative of levying or collecting the taxes, not imposing surcharges or any kind of penalty. And guess what? The Islamabad High Court Justice had passed an interim order leading to the suspension of this May 30th notification of National Highway Authorities. And furthermore, Islamabad High Court had also sought for response in the form of parabise comments and all kinds of justification behind the dispatching of this illegal or uncontrolled notification. Yes, keeping in consideration that NHA has the sole authority of collecting and levying the taxes and not imposing any kind of surcharges or penalties, Islamabad High Court had asked for a clear response. Finally, the petitioner in the Islamabad High Court had also sought for all kinds of reimbursements that had already been taken by the motorists and vehicles under this notification. Yes, and now the motorists and more importantly the daily commuters had heard this news and are appreciating and commending this interim order passed by Lahore High Court, as it could be seen or it could be perceived as a big relief for these daily commuters. Thank you.